Question number 1. This neighborhood looks a little dash and tatty these days. In the options, well heeled, well off, run down, down and out. And among the given options, the right one is option C, run down. Run down is an idiom used to describe a place that is in a state of disrepair, shabby or deteriorating. Question number 2. I am afraid my youngest son has never been particularly quick on the dash. In the options, upshot, upturn, upkeep, uptake. And the right one is option D, uptake. The phrase quick on the uptake is an idiomatic expression and is used to describe someone who understands or can place together information quickly. Question number 3. This afternoon, we are to dash on the relationship between literature and philosophy. In the options, emphasize, pinpoint, focus, spotlight. And the right one is option C, focus. This afternoon we are to focus on the relationship between the literature and philosophy. Question number 4. Choose the analogy. Incubator infant. In the options, greenhouse plant, archives document, cooler wine, hive bee. And the right one is option A, greenhouse plant. An infant is kept in an incubator for better growth. Similarly, plants are grown in greenhouse for better growth. Question number 5. Choose the analogy. Sartorial tailor. Thespian designer, histrionic singer, rhetorical questioner, terpsichorean dancer. And the right one is option D, terpsichorean dancer. Terpsichorean means of or relating to dancing. Question number 6. Antonym of the word trepidation is. In the options, slowness, amputation, fearlessness, adroitness. And the right one is option C, fearlessness. Trepidation means a feeling of fear or anxiety about something that may happen. Question number 7. Synonym of boisterous is. In the options, conflicting, noisy, grateful, adolescent. And the right one is option B, noisy. Boisterous means noisy and energetic. Question number 8. Synonym of plaintive is. In the options, mournful, senseless, persistent, evasive. And the right one is option A, mournful. Question number 9. My aunt lived on dash ground floor of dash old house on dash river Thames. And the right one is option A. My aunt lived on the ground floor of an old house on the river Thames. Question number 10. I wanted a book dash Oscar Wilde and asked the librarian to show dash me some dash his books. 4 options are given. And the right one is option A. I wanted a book by Oscar Wilde and asked the librarian to show me some of his books. Question number 11. Dash is term introduced by Noam Chomsky to describe the actual use of language in concrete situations. In the options, performance, parole, paradigmatic, none of the above. And among the given options, the right one is option A, performance. Question number 12. The term used for the non-linguistic aspects of speaking is called. In the options, meta-language, para-language, proto-language, both B and C. And the white one is option B, para-language. Next question. The historical approach to language study, which investigates the changes in language through time, said to be. In the options, synchronic, idiosyncrasy, diachronic, dynamic. And the white one is option C, diachronic. Next question. Syllables in which the consonant functions as nucleus are called. In the options, syllabic consonants, sibilants, suffix, none of the above. And the white one is option A, syllabic consonants. Next question. The preceding sound influencing the following sound is an instance of dash assimilation. In the options, progressive, regressive, reciprocal, none of the above. And the white one is option A, progressive assimilation. Next question. Dash is a process of word formation by which new words are formed by attaching prefixes or suffixes to the base form. In the options, compounding, portmanteau, derivation, back formation. And the white one is option C, derivation. Next question. Dash are gliding sounds, and during their articulation, the speech organs glide from one vowel position to another. In the options, diphthongs, triphthongs, semi-vowels, minimal pairs. And the white one is option C, semi-vowels. Next question. Who introduced in linguistics the concepts similar to Saussur's long and parole? In the options, Leonard Bloomfield, Charles Sanders Peirce, Edward Sapir, Noam Chomsky. And the right one is option D, Noam Chomsky. Next question. Language learning processes like how language is acquired, how language is stored in the brain, how language is accessed and processed by the brain are studied under. In the options, sociolinguistics, applied linguistics, psycholinguistics, semantics. And the right one is option C, psycholinguistics. Next question. A grammar containing properties common to all languages and innately present in human beings is called. In the options, transformational grammar, syntax, universal grammar, all of the above. And the right one is option C, universal grammar. Question number 21. An auxiliary language which arises to fulfill certain limited communication needs among people who have no common language is known as. In the options, lingua franca, Creole, Pidgin, none of the above. And the right one is option C, Pidgin. Question number 22. Speech act theory was developed by. The options, William Labov, P.J., J.L. Austin, none of the above. And the right one is option C, J.L. Austin. Question number 23. The term diglossia was introduced by. In the options, William Labov, Baker, Charles Ferguson, none of the above. And the right one is option C, Charles Ferguson. Question number 24. Which among the following is an example of acronym? In the options, SMOKE, UNESCO, Buzz, EDIT. And the right one is option B, UNESCO. Question number 25. Dash are articulated by using the back of the tongue towards the soft palate. In the options, post-alveolar, alveolar, palatal, velar. And the right one is option D, velar.